Thank you, Steve. I appreciate your kind words, brother. I know where we are at this level right now because of all of you in this room and all the people online who are watching this powerful convention so far. And I will tell you, this is a time, this is a powerful time. I remember every closing speaker of every convention over the last 13 years that this is the moment where you decide and you make some big decisions and you move yourself towards massive action. So time has come, everybody. You heard from the WFG great players, the greats they have, and I'll tell you, this is, everybody delivered their powerful messages from the heart. It is a time of execution. And all these giants in common, they take zero time to implement the things which can transform their family's future. So I hope you are ready. And I'll tell you, everything is ready when you are ready. So it is all about you getting ready and moving towards massive action immediately. But going back to, if you look at this right now moment, God has put you into this moment, into this environment, and I will tell you in front of these communications. Why? Just because He wants all of you to engage with your dreams. To engage with your dreams. And then you get married with your dreams when you put all the hard work which is required during the process. And what I feel like, everyone, that our business is like an arranged marriage. Sometimes some people ask me, did you have an arranged marriage? I said, yes. So I'll tell you that why I say arranged marriage, because there is a middle person and he knows the opportunity within the WFG, and he also knows you and come and share the business opportunity with you, and you grab it and then you start getting married to the opportunity. So this is a time to get engaged with your dreams and run the process, being in the process, put the hard work which is required, and then ultimately get married with your dreams. So this is available to all of you who are listening right now, who are sitting on this call right now. And I will tell you one thing, that God's arrangement, which God has for all of us, can never be questioned, And if I look at my own life, like what are the arrangements which happened? Now, first thing that God arranged for me is my parents. The biggest blessing is my parents. And then He arranged for me the family. And then my spouse, wonderful spouse partner that you already heard from, Jazz. And then kids. Obviously, we are all blessed with the kids. All is God's arrangement. And then the opportunity. And then the leadership, Real and Claudette, Rich and Cindy, Monty Holmes, all these great leaders who are mentoring every one of us each and every day. And this is the arrangements. And we are all experiencing these arrangements during the process. And I remember when I get into this business, that somebody made that arrangement, the middle person made that arrangement to come to Las Vegas convention in 2008. And coming there, I cannot get into the convention hall. And the reason was because of fire marshal. They said, you can't get in. But moving from standing outside that convention hall in 2008 to the closing speaker of 2021 convention and in front of you is such a blessing. It's such a blessing that what God arrangements are can never be questioned, and He can do anything and everything which you can't even think about today, and what are the possibilities because of Him. So I appreciate each one of you for being part of this success journey with this powerful firm. And we want more leaders. We are looking for more people who have those dreams and who really wanted to engage with their dreams, and so that we can mentor them and help them during the process, and they are ready to put the hard work which is required to move their family's future to the next level. 13 years back, this person was a taxi driver who has no clue about money and finance, who has no clue about marketing. And I will tell you, all I had at that time is a desire to become somebody. And this platform gives me that chance to explore that inner power and that desire that I have, and then do something significant in life. And chance is same for all of you, my friends. It is in front of you, whether you grab it with all the power and the focus and the commitment, and you change your family's future, or you stay casual, you choose it. So I'm going to give you some points to close this event with. First thing, what I understood so far, being in entrepreneurial world. And I'll tell you, I was with my dad in India running a restaurant business and a few other businesses over the time. And then obviously coming to this company from 2008 till now, what I understood, the strength of the organization is determined by the strength of the mission and the vision of the organization. So it is all about the mission and the vision that we have. Now, when we look at a mission, our cause, we look at this company, what we are doing for people out here. And if I will tell you, and you can, if you wanted to write this down as well, that we are practicing what we are doing each and every day. We are protecting the family's biggest asset. And what is the biggest asset for the family? Is their income. This is what we are doing. We are protecting that biggest powerful asset, the precious asset they have. I was sitting down with somebody. I said, every single day of your life, you're giving 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours to make this precious asset called income. Let me ask you, how important is your income for your family? He said, very important. I said, what is the protection of your income? And how important it is to save your precious asset and grow your precious asset? He said, very important. And that's all we do. That's all we do when we sit down on the kitchen table or on the Zoom. We help families understand their finances and put their precious asset, hard-earned money at the right place. And we are so proud of that. When you think about that, that itself gives you goosebumps and you're ready to run, because in this business, you're also on a mission of helping people. And I will tell you that if you look at COVID-19, now what COVID-19 has taught us, the biggest lesson which we learned from COVID-19, that having enough savings is not an option, it is a necessity. Having proper production in place is not an option, it is a necessity. And this is why COVID-19 even empowers our business more, because it impacts the mindset of people, like why it's important to understand to save money and protect their income. So powerful mission, powerful cause in front of us. And as I was discussing with Tom Dempsey earlier about 100,000 licenses, I'll tell you, 100,000 licenses, guys, is not an option. It is a necessity for us. It is a necessity for this organization. Our leaders are prepared to lead the army of 100,000 licenses so that we can reach out to the North Americans and help them save money, protect their incomes, all of those kind of things which will change their family's future in a big, big way. Now, when you come back to vision, so this is a powerful mission of helping people. When you look at the vision of this company, and these two things, mission and vision, if these are powerful in the organization, this is what determines the strength of the business. And then you have these two things in place. Now, vision is, if I look at my life, so far before coming to WFG, what I was doing, I was trading my hours for money. And my hours were limited. This is why I was making limited money. And if you look at around the people, they are following money. $25 an hour, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. But they forget they have limited hours. They can only trade 8 or 10 or 12. And that's it. And limited hours lead to limited money. Now, what is the blessing being part of this organization? You can increase your hours. Now, how can you increase your hours? You can recruit, you can license, you can train people. You recruit, you license, you train people, you can multiply your hours. And write this down, everyone, that unlimited hours is equal to unlimited income. Unlimited hours is equal to unlimited income. And so far, this wasn't available for us in our life. We were only trading our limited hours. And the day will come when you will have so many license holders in your organization that your 8 hours, your 10 hours doesn't matter anymore. And that is called financial freedom. When you have balance of time and money in your life, that is financial freedom. And that's what's available. That's the vision for all of you sitting on this call right now, that you can have multiplication of your hours. And next thing, which is also a powerful vision, this company, this platform allows you to build independent cash flow. Think about that. Independent cash flow is not depending on you. It is independent without your hours. One day when you build a team, when you build an organization, the cash flow flows. And I was always talking to my team. I said, cash flow is glow on your face. Cash flow. This is in business when you're helping people, serving people, and you're also raising up your cash flow. What a blessing to be part of. So I want you to understand that we have a powerful mission to serve, and we have a powerful vision in front of us to multiply our hours and to get independent cash flow. Where else would you have these things available? In place at the right moment, at the right time, and you decide to take some massive action and move your family's future to the next level. So I'm excited about that. Like, God has put this organization into our life, blessed us with this opportunity that we can do some extraordinary things. Like an ordinary person like myself, 20 years ago came as an immigrant to Canada, has no clue what's going to happen here, but has a why, have had my reasons within me. And I start my journey from washing jeans in the factory at plus 50 weather in Winnipeg, Manitoba. And then I moved to gas station pumping gas when minus 50, from plus 50 to minus 50. And guess what? Then somebody sold me a dream when I was working at a gas station. Go drive taxi. It pays you more money. And I got so excited about driving taxi. I drove it for almost 5 years. And then guess what? Somebody as a middle person came and made this arranged marriage with this opportunity. And I will tell you, with arranged marriage, a lot of times, sometimes when these middle person come, they disappear soon. And they want the husband and wife to just deal with it. And now guess what? My upline also disappear after some time. And that's what you need to understand. Here, that's what's happening. And you cannot question God's arrangements. So everything is in place. The mission is there. The vision is there. The question is, are you ready? Are you ready? If you are not ready, nothing else matters. Nothing else matters until you are ready. And I hope you are ready sitting on this convention and you decide to take some massive action. So I'm going to give you some points here, because I know everybody looking at last night's gala, you wanted to get recognized. And this is the biggest hunger in humans out there, importance, winning. If the importance is not important for people, guess what? Social media will not be where it is today. People wanted to feel important. If I'm going on a beach right now and I take some pictures, first thing I do is share on the social media. I need some importance. Somebody is giving attention to me. People are looking for attention and we can give it to them. And also people wanted to win. If the winning is not there, nobody will be succeeding in this online gaming right now. Everybody wants to win. And those are all illusions, but here is real winning. Here is real importance, real intention for all of you. So everything is ready, but how to turn every dream you have, turn into a reality by next Las Vegas. And I hope all of you are ready for that. So these are some of the points which I wanted to close with today. Number one is believe in yourself. It is all inner power, guys. Believe in yourself. When I was standing in 2008 on the Las Vegas Convention Center door, I believe. And somebody showed me, look at that stage. And then here will be Ed Mylett speaking and closing the convention. And I was all excited listening to Ed Mylett. You know how fired up he is. And then guess what? God has some big plans. And now from moving from that door to inside, it is believe. Because you can write this down, that believe in yourself gives you determination. And you need determination to win. Without determination, the winning is not possible. So determination comes from belief. And you need to understand that if you have a belief in these two things, you will be recognized at the next year convention. Number one, you believe in your abilities. You believe in your God-gifted abilities. We are all been gifted by the Almighty. Number two, believe in the possibilities in your life. Believe in the possibilities in your life. And I want you to write this down. This is very important. It came this morning to me that doubt on your abilities is disrespect to the Creator. Doubt on your abilities is the disrespect to the Creator. And you know who is your Creator. And I want you to believe in yourself, because if you believe right now is a moment. This is where you are having some self-talk. And I will tell you, the most important talk in our life is the talk which we do with ourselves, the self-talk. So believe in yourself. That will get you on the stage next year. Even in MD Parade, even as SMD, but you make that movement, that step moves forward. This is all you need, because even if one step into the right direction will take you to your destination, as long as you're moving. So believe in yourself. Number 2, uncommon thinking. Uncommon thinking. So uncommon thinking leads to uncommon living. This is very, very important. Uncommon thinking leads to uncommon living. And I know everybody wants to live an uncommon life, but it needs uncommon discipline. You need to decide right now at this moment that what type of discipline are you ready to give towards your dreams, towards your engagement that you have right now with your dreams. What type of discipline? So I want you to understand in uncommon thinking, this is very important to understand, because I've seen within my business and within the organization that after some time we slow down. And I want you to remember that. Are you a comfort seeker or you are a freedom seeker? And I will tell you that comfort is a necessity of every human being. And comfort comes very easily in this business model. You start replacing your income, you're getting into your comfort. But freedom is a choice. Freedom is a choice, and if you are seeking freedom, this is where you will be grinding on an ongoing basis, and then you will be moving to the next level. This is uncommon thinking, and uncommon thinking leads to uncommon living. And I want you to understand, if you work on your uncommon thinking right now, at this moment, you start that thought patterns right now within here, and you will be the next superstar in this organization. Number 3, you be clear on your ultimate destination. This is very important. What I've seen in the business so far, that we all move from this side to this side. If I'm getting started by getting my license, getting to marketing director, and then getting to senior marketing director, these are my destinations. And I want you to understand, this is like a GPS. If I'm going from here to Vegas, and all I do in the GPS, I put the visiting points on the way to Vegas, then I will be getting the route according to that visiting point, not to the Vegas destination. So what I want you to understand, in this GPS here, put the ultimate destination. An ultimate destination in business is volume. If you look at all our business partners, our providers, what they are looking for from this distribution of World Financial Group is volume. And what you should be seeking as the entrepreneur is the volume. Now, volume is a destination, everything will change. Duplication will change, building SMBs will change, building leaders will change, everything change. Route will change completely if the destination change. But if you're putting in the wrong destination, the route will be wrong as well, and you will end up somewhere in the middle, and this is what you do not want. So be clear on the ultimate destination and make sure your actions match your expectations. Your actions match your expectations. And the next point is stay humble and coachable during the process. Because sometimes we start seeing some success, we start seeing some major numbers, and first thing we lose as human beings is our coachability. Stay grounded. Fruitful trees are always grounded. They lean towards the ground. And I want you to understand, if you have the coachability ongoing, you will provide peace to your leader. And that is very important. What I understood in life, the most important thing is peace. And if I deliver peace to my leader, what is coming back to me from my team is peace. And how my leader will be in peaceful state if I stay coachable, if I listen to the leadership, if I stay aligned with the leadership. So this is very important, guys. If you really wanted to move on to the whole new levels in the business and in your life, you need to become more humble during the process. Stay coachable, asking questions, getting engaged and involved. All of the EMDs, CEOs, you need to redo this engagement and involvement with your leadership. Ask them, where can I go? Do not limit yourself. You are a freedom seeker, and freedom isn't there yet. Even with this cash flow, that still depends on you. If you disappear, cash flow disappears. So this is why it's important to stay humble, stay coachable. And if you do so, you continuously learn. You continuously learn. What happens? You adopt some changes. Change is very important in business. Now, if we changed last year to this Zoom era, guess what? We explode. Change is something which you should be prepared as an entrepreneur to accept it all the time, to look at it with open mind all the time, and don't just stuck with one thing. This is what I used to do, and I'll tell you, whatever you used to do is not going to get you where you wanted to go today. So it must change during the process. And entrepreneurs are excited about the change. They're looking into the change with that progressive thinking, and they know how they will be moving their business to the next level. But you only find out the change because change comes with a different state of mind. You start thinking differently, and some thought patterns change here. And guess what? Now you adopt that change and you are into the new era into your business. So it's very, very important. And this is, if you stay coachable and stay aligned, this will be two things will be coming back to you. First is feeling of belonging, which is very important. And I want my leader to feel belong. Rial and Claudette, they have the best input into my success. Rich and Cindy Thali, they have the best input into my success. I look at Monty Home, he always available to help us in any way possible. You look at the leadership at home office, they are unbelievable people. I never see a staff working in these many hours overtime and all that. This is real thing. I think our staff at head office, they also work like entrepreneurs when they don't need to. So it is very important that how many things are happening around us to get us where we are today or where we are moving towards in this business. So stay humble, stay coachable. And this is the last point, is work with owner's mentality. This is very important. Work with owner's mentality. Two types of mentalities. One is a worker mentality, one is a owner's mentality. And everything will change when you start working with owner's mentality. I think some of you might experience, some of your employees, they just go above and beyond at their job. And guess what? That is ownership. That pays you back big time. And I want you to write this down, that the world pays you according to your skill and time. The world pays you according to your skill and time, but God pays you according to your attention. Ownership is a attention. And I hope if you operate like owners, licensing will improve, recruiting will improve, positive attitude will be not an option, it is a necessity. Dealing with adversity is not an option, it is a necessity. Just because you became owner of your business, all it needs is shift from a worker mentality to a owner mentality, and everything will change in your business forever. So these are some of the points. If you implement, if you decide on them, if you emphasize on them, you will be getting recognized in the next Las Vegas convention. So in closing, I want all of you to understand one thing. With God's creation, this is very important to understand because we are all creation of Him. The God's creation always shine from inner power. From inner power. God's creation always shine from inner power. When you wake up every morning, you look at the sun. And what you look at? Sun is shining from the inner power. You look at the moon at night, and what you look at? Moon is shining from the inner power. You look at the trees shining from the inner power. I want all of you to go look into the mirror, and what you see is the best creation of God. And you see that creation, and this creation will also shine with inner power. Inner power. Inner power is something which you need to unlock. You allow yourself to unlock your inner power, and everything will change completely in your family's future. So it is a time to become owner of your internal state. Right now, in many of us, we have the owner. Our mind is the owner, not the soul is the owner. What we need to do right now, we need to make our soul the owner, and guess what? Anybody who owns internally will own externally as well. So you have this moment right now to become the owner of your life. And how do you become owner? Watch your thoughts and react to the right thoughts, and you become the owner, and now you take over. And if you can take over internally, you will take over externally. So I appreciate all of you for being at this convention. I hope you find the best value, and I hope you implement some of the things which you learned from the great ones at this company. But we are here on a mission and we have a powerful vision, and we will completely make this world a better place, and we will completely shift the lives of our advisors and our clients. Not only our advisors, our clients as well, during the process, that they can live a happy and fulfilled life. We are prepared. God is on our side. Who can stop us? Thank you so much.